In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on LinkedIn. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment down there. But if you want to learn how you can block someone on LinkedIn using your iPhone, Android, or Samsung, don't worry. This is going to work on all of those platforms as well as PC too. The steps are just slightly different. But go ahead and open up the LinkedIn app and go to your profile and go to the profile of the person that you would like to go ahead and block. In this case, let me scroll down a little bit. Let's say I want to block this person right here. What I would go ahead and do is select on their profile picture to actually go to their profile. And from here, just go ahead and tap the message button and go ahead and tap the three dots right next to the message button or the connect button, depending on if you've already connected with them or not. Now from this menu, go ahead and see the option to report or block. Go ahead and select it and then choose block and then their name, just like so. And then it'll have you confirm again by pressing block at the bottom. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. That person is now going to be blocked. They're not going to be notified and they'll no longer be able to see your profile or contact you. If you do have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.